Looking to boost your Samsung phone security against malware? You're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process of enabling app protection on your device. So let's get started. Method 1. Enabling app protection through security and privacy. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down to locate the Security and Privacy section. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, select App Security. Next, choose App Protection from the list. This will prompt you to scan your phone. Tap Scan Phone to proceed with the scan. The scan will run on your device. After the scan completes, you will receive a report. This report will let you know if there are any malicious apps present on your phone. Method 2. Activating app protection through device care. Go back to your phone settings. Then, scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Device Care. Scroll down a little more. You should now see the App Protection option under Memory Stats. Tap on App Protection. If you wish, you can initiate another scan from this section. And that's a wrap. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Appreciate you being here.